This is the underside of my HoverDisk. There are two wheelchair motors attached to lawnmower wheels and 3 casters, so it keeps everything level. This doesn't balance, it rides along the floor. I've got an XP transmitter that I built and 3D printed the case. On the transmitter I have a power switch, lights on and off, joystick off of a Wii, a main power, and a blaster sound. I've 3D printed all the brackets that go around the MDF boards that hold on the shroud, and along the top, or the bottom actually here, is a ribbon of LED lights that shoot, it'll be downwards. I've got an XP receiver with a low pass filter, and it sends pulses to this Arduino, which maps them to servo signals and sends that to a Sabertooth motor controller. On top of the controller, I've 3D printed housings for a fan to cool it off. And over on this side I have another Arduino that controls the lights and accessories, plus a main power switch you see on top there. I have 2 battery packs. One's 12 volts on top, 12 volts on the bottom. One of the packs operates the motors, while the other one sends power to a 12 volt hub right over there, which operates accessories. I have a Grove latching relay, which can turn lights on and off as well. Over here I have an Adafruit sound effects board for the sound effects, and then a 5 volt hub for accessories that operate off of 5 volts. The 5 volts comes from a 5 volt power supply right here, which I may in the future extend and adapt to DC D-size batteries that will maybe stand up a little bit longer over time. I've got a charging cable that plugs in to 2 12 volt chargers to keep it charged, and a main power switch. When I turn on the unit, the sound effects activate and the lights turn on. And I can control the motors with this joystick. It took a while to play around with the settings for the servo signals. It's a bit jumpy at times due to the fact that it's probably not getting filtered as cleanly as it should, but for the main part it works pretty well. And when I shut it off, on the other side is where I stand, and once I flip this over you'll see that side as well.